Friends, family remain a vital factor in the life of almost everyone. And study of family law in India is unique as unlike the rest of the civil law or the criminal law, the family law display a lack of uniformity in their application with the relevant criteria depending upon number of factors, predominantly the religion of the party and also the domicile of the parties. That is why this branch of law is totally different from any other branch of law. It is also the most important branch of law because it affects the relation of the person who constitute the family. It deals with their relation, and that is why it is the most important branch of